Factorization of polynomials. If p of x is a polynomial of degree n greater than or equal to 1 and a is any real number, then x minus a is a factor of p of x. If p of a is equal to 0 and p of a is equal to 0, if x minus a is a factor of p of x. Let's understand it with the help of an example. The first method is examine method. Examine whether g of x is equal to x plus 2 is a factor of p of x is equal to x cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1. Solution. Given p of x is equal to x cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1, g of x is equal to x plus 2. X plus 2 will be factor of p of x if p of minus 2 is equal to 0. P of minus 2 is equal to minus 2 cube plus 3 into minus 2 square plus 3 into minus 2 plus 1, which is equal to minus 8 plus 12 minus 6 plus 1 equals to minus 14 plus 13 is equal to minus 1. That is, p of minus 2 is not equal to 0. Hence, x plus 2 is not a factor of polynomial p of x. Another method is factor theorem. Let's understand it with the help of an example. Example. Factorize x square minus 7x plus 12 by using factor theorem. Solution. Let p of x is equal to x square minus 7x plus 12. The factors of 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. If we find p of 1, p of 2, p of 3, p of 4, p of 6 and p of 12, p of 1 is equal to 1 minus 7 plus 12 not equal to 0. P of 2 is equal to 4 minus 14 plus 12 not equal to 0. P of 3 is equal to 9 minus 21 plus 12 equals to 0. It implies x minus 3 is a factor. P of 4 is equal to 16 minus 28 plus 12 is equal to 0. It implies x minus 4 is a factor. As p of x is quadratic and we got two linear factors x minus 3 and x minus 4, hence x square minus 7x plus 12 is equal to k x minus 3 into x minus 4. Now to find the value of k, we put x is equal to 0. 0 minus 7 into 0 plus 12 is equal to k into 0 minus 3 into 0 minus 4. 12 is equal to 12k. It implies k is equal to 1. Hence x square minus 7x plus 12 is equal to x minus 3 into x minus 4. Hence factors are x minus 3 and x minus 4. One more method is quadratic polynomial. Quadratic polynomial ax square plus bx plus c, where a is not equal to 0, can also be factorized by splitting the middle term. Following steps are carried out to factorize ax square plus bx plus c. Step 1. Find the product of constant term and coefficient of x square, that is a into c in this case. Step 2. Find two numbers k1 and k2 such that k1 plus k2 is equal to b, coefficient of x, and k1 into k2 is equal to a into c, that is product of constant and coefficient of x square. Step 3. Write the given expression as ax square plus k1x plus k2x plus c. Step 4. Factorize the expression by grouping the first two terms and last two terms and then get the required factors. Let us understand it with the help of an example. Factorize x square minus 5x plus 6. Solution. A is equal to 1, B is equal to minus 5 and C is equal to 6. Now to find two numbers whose product is 6 and sum is minus 5. These numbers are minus 3 and minus 2. Hence x square minus 5x plus 6 is equal to x square minus 3x minus 2x plus 6 is equal to x into x minus 3 minus 2 into x minus 3. Hence x square minus 5x plus 6 is equal to x minus 3 into x minus 2.